Hello, I'm Taku, the principal architect here at TKZ Architecture. And if you're looking for a truly custom home, one that reflects your lifestyle and your site, then you're at the right place. Building a custom home can be exciting, but it can also be complex. There's zoning, there's permitting, there's technical coordination. And without the right guidance, your project budget and timeline can yield surprises. At TKZ Architecture, we help you navigate the complex design and construction process. We start by listening to your vision, and then we guide you step by step through this exciting journey. Our clients appreciate our attention to detail, our communication, as well as the beautiful designs we produce. We work closely with consultants as well as with builders to make sure that your vision stays intact. If you are considering a custom home and want a clear professional path forward, then I invite you to schedule a consultation.